Hello and welcome to another tutorial. I cannot speak today. Another tutorial from Serenity Design. Now, if I can remember my name, I am Brandon Bourne. I'm the lead designer and founder of Serenity Design, and today I'm going to be working with Photoshop. More specifically, using layers in Photoshop, so how to use layers artistically, how to just use layers in general. So we're going to be focusing on the bottom right corner here. So where it says layers, we're going to be focusing on here today. So at the moment, there's only one layer. So when you start a project, you just have one baseline layer, and it will be called background. You select it when you're making a new project, so you can select the size of the layer, the color of the layer, the color mode, if you're going to be pixels per inch or you're going to do it in pixels and centimeter. So it's completely up to you, or you can choose a already made one, but I've got one here called Instagram post. So what I'm going to do is create a layer. So layers are created by creating objects. So you can have a tool here, so you can put a shape. This has now automatically become a layer. So every time you add something to the page, come down to the bottom here and you'll see this side. So we will make this a dark red color for now. We can make another shape, and as you can see, there'll be another one here. Now this is where you can start editing layers now. So maybe I want the red layer to be on the top. What do? So you go onto this bit. Yeah, it works on all of it. I usually just focus on this little square, but you can pull the whole layer down. You just move this down here, and then there you go. You can move the layers just like so. So you can switch them around, and that is no problem. Once you have multiple layers down, you can also start editing the background layer. So there is always going to be a padlock on the background because that is the solid base. But if you want to change that or make something transparent, so maybe I'm making a logo, I'm just going to make a really rubbish logo right now. So this is going to be my logo. Just a shape, a random shape, but I want it to be transparent on the background. What you can do is, one, you can either just make it disappear, so these eyes are to determine if that layer is going to be visible, so I can make the white layer disappear by just clicking it, but it's not deleted, it's still there, so I can just re-add it when I want to. Same with the background, you can make the background disappear, and you can also make the background reappear like that. If you click the lock button, you can unlock it here, so then you can move the bottom layer around as well, and this just becomes another part of the layer. So once you've edited layers, so I'm going to put this back to how it was, like so, and when you right click a layer, you get some more options here too. So you do get quite a lot. Of layers. So you can copy, you can duplicate, you can delete, you can export just that. So I can make this an image, I can make this an image by exporting it like so. You can also group layers. So if this is my logo, I can. Oh, I did the wrong thing there. 1 second. You can merge layers. So if this is my logo, I go down to the bottom here to these three things. Yep, that is it. And then I click merge. Oh, hold on 1 second. Where's merge layers gone? Okay, I cannot seem to get it to work. Usually you can. It is quite annoying that it's not working now, but usually it's just a merge layer. That was here a minute ago. But we'll skip that. You can merge a layer. Another thing that you can do is also rasterize layers. So what rasterization means is you're flattening the element to make it into a picture. So the best kind of example would be with text. So I will make these disappear here. So I can make this text and just type a simple message like hello. And if I rasterize that, it is now an image. So I can't type this now. So as you can see, it's become an image. So this is now an image file and not text. So same with shape. So you can't change the color of the shape or anything. Once it's rasterized, it's an image. So it's a fixed image that you cannot no longer change. So let's create just a basic little logo. This is a rubbish logo. But we will go with it just for our testing purposes. I'm battling through a cold at the moment, so if my voice is strange and my brain's a bit scattered, that is actually the reason. So yeah, so this is just a basic logo. So that is it from me today. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, please like the video and comment below any suggestions that you want, maybe going further into layers or any other topics in Photoshop that you want to cover. Please let me know, and then that will determine what videos I make in the future. If you like our channel and you want to keep up to date with more tutorials every week, then please subscribe as well and click the little bell to get notified. And I will see you in the next video.